Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2013 Chevy Tahoe. Stock number is A6670A. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps and easy access heavy-duty tow hooks. A look down the passenger side, you have alloy wheels. Those are 20-inch alloy wheels wrapped with Dunlop tires. Those tires are brand new, as you can see by the chalk lines here. Running boards on the side. Inside, leather interior. You have second row and third row bench seating. You also have the second row seats here are heated seats. One more look down the passenger side, then we're going to swing around to the back end. Rear backup sensors and a factory trailer hitch here on the back and a rear backup camera. Taking a look here in the back, there's a 50-50 split on the back seats. Those are folded down, as you can see currently, showing you the additional storage room. Power assist lift gate, so it's simply the press of that button. Hatch folds itself down just like that. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, you have dual heated and cooled seats. You also have 2-point memory seats on the driver's side, 4-wheel drive controls, cruise, heated steering wheel, audio and Bluetooth controls, full touchscreen that includes your stereo and navigation, dual climate control. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Tahoe on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck, all at holidayautomotive.com.